how to get glowing this wedding season. Any recommendations, please?
How to get glowing this wedding season?
Yeah.
Get married.
All right.
वो मैं उनको दूंगी सर, आप एजेंट क्यों बन रहे हो बीच में? मैं भेज दूंगी उनको wishes. Of course, I wish them all the very best.
There was one more lady there. The one in blue, you had a question, right? Okay. Go ahead, quickly.
Sonakshi, you being a celebrity, you being a star, हमेशा you have to look beautiful और उसके लिए मेकअप बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो sometime ऐसे भी कभी हो जाता है कि यार it's always every time makeup ज़्यादातर actually तो कभी थोड़ा ऊब जाते हो. And the other thing is like inner beauty is also very important. That also reflects a lot. So what have you to say on that thing?
I think हमें beautiful लगना पड़ता है क्योंकि आप कैमरा लेकर हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हो ना, हम जहाँ पे भी जाते हैं. तो अब क्या करें, चॉइस ही नहीं छोड़ा आपने. But honestly, yes, our profession is in that way demanding, very demanding on our skin and requires a lot from our skin. So we have to be careful with the products that we use, the amount of care we take of our skin. Not necessarily कि मेकअप डाल के ही लोग खूबसूरत लगते हैं, मैं मेकअप के बिना भी लगती हूँ. Okay. मेरी माँ की खूबसूरती मुझे मिली है विरासत में. So I think it's each to his own. A lot of people, especially in a country like India with so many different weather conditions, a lot of people have different skin types and tones, and they all need to take care of it according to how their skin is structured. And yeah, I think that's what you need to find out, what works best for you. And I strongly believe, I've been like growing up, any remedies जो भी होती थी वो भी एकदम नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक घर की जो मॉम बनाकर देती थी, मुल्तानी मिट्टी या हल्दी लगा दो, हल्दी का लेप लगा दो या rub tomatoes or banana on your skin. So grown up touching my skin only with natural products,
Right.
which is why this is such a welcome thing in our market today and will help a lot of girls who are mindful of what they use on their skin.
Absolutely. Yes. Let's. You want to talk about inner beauty?
Yeah, that's why I asked. Second question was.
सर इनर ब्यूटी नहीं होगा तो जितना भी मेकअप लगा दो आप खूबसूरत नहीं लगोगे. जितनी भी कोशिश कर लो.
I want to ask you, Sonakshi, that you have recently won the Mother Teresa Award for planting trees and being environment conscious. Is this an extension forward? Because even the brand talks about plant as,
Absolutely. I think as a person who is followed and viewed by people, followed by youngsters, I think it's very important and a big responsibility on my part to kind of take forward the things that I believe in. And sustainability, taking care of the environment, taking care of yourself, mental health, physical health. I think these are things that are very, very important to me, and I think I would want it to be an extension of whatever I do.
I hope we answered your question there. Thank you so much for asking that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
She got me.
Yes. Okay. Could we have the mic given to this lovely girl here? Yeah. What's your name? And your question.
Hi everyone, hi Sonakshi.
Hi.
I am Shravani Rane. I recently won Mrs. India Universe title as a runner-up from Mrs. India She is India.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I am really privileged to meet you in person. And throughout that experience, I just want to ask you one question which we commonly come across while we are competing. What makes you beautiful or what beauty means to you?
I think it's a very cliched answer, but it's actually true. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. And what makes anyone beautiful is what Mr. Sohail mentioned, is inner beauty. And how kind you are, what you give back to the world, how you are with people. I think that is something that can make anybody beautiful. So you really have to just... that was such a Miss Universe type answer, no? मैं compete करूँ क्या?
Yes, I just wanted to understand what will be your answer to that question because.
But no, I really believe that. I think it really makes a difference how you treat people and how kind you are to the world and how much you give back to the world.
That's absolutely true. Thank you so much.
Very rightly said that kindness goes a long, long way. And we have one more question for you. Yes, can we have the mic behind?
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, this is Mishka Timrani from Local Samosa. My first question is to the founder. So, how do you source your products? How is it all organic, and how do you do the sourcing? And what's that one product that everybody should definitely buy?
I'll answer your last question first. Everyone should buy all the products.
Great.
Yeah. How do we source? We source all our raw materials from organic farming. And those farms and the products are also, the producers are also certified by EcoCert, because there's a complete farm to shelf audit, traceability audit. So this is a completely pure organic product. And as said, we are one of the 12 other brands which has completely surfactant-free cleansers. And this I came to know from no one other than the global chairman of EcoCert, Mr. Philip Tomazu, in one of the meetings. And this is a product which is 100% natural, minimum 95% organic. We have biodegradable packaging to make the Mother Earth a safer place to stay and a sustainable place to stay. This is, we have surfactant-free cleansers, as I said, global sustainability standard compliant, and most of it is that we could have brought a product of this nature which competes with the best in the globe in terms of the quality in a very, very premium fashion with some very premium packaging. But my idea from the beginning was to make organic products affordable, accessible, and to reach the critical mass. Because mostly what happens is the products, the international brands, which are all Cosmos V3 certified, are 3 to 5 times higher. And they only remain an aspiration for the consumers at large. So I have now tried to bring in products for everyone. So more people use biodegradable packaging, chemical-free product, the world becomes more sustainable, safer, and better place to stay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you so
I
much.
have another question for Sonakshi ma'am. First of all, hello. So, what are those 3 beauty products or makeup products that you always carry? And, okay, and another one is there any quick beauty routine that you follow?
I'll answer your first question. Since you asked for makeup products, I can't do without my eyeliner, some little bit of concealer, and lipstick. I think these are my 3 main essentials. Other than that, what was your second question, sorry?
Any quick beauty routine that you follow?
Beauty routine, I try to follow a routine, I'll be honest. I usually skip any sort of routine, but I've now gotten into the whole self-love, taking care of yourself kind of phase in life where I try to moisturize my skin as and when I can. I cleanse off my makeup very, very well. Earlier, you just slap on a
Right.
wet tissue and you're like, okay, makeup utar gaya. But no, you have to be very, very careful. That is something I've started doing. And of course, being hydrated all the time really, really helps. So these are the 3 things that
Thank you so much.
follow.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we have one more question there. Anyone else? Just raise your hand so I know how many more questions are remaining. Okay, fantastic.
Hi, you look really
Hi.
stunning today.
Thank you, so do you.
Thank you. So my question for you is, what is the one product that you would recommend from Planters?
From Planters, I think, like I said, I emphasized on keeping your skin supple and moisturized. वैसे तो all their products is something that I would recommend, which is why I'm also here. They're all natural, they're all organic, so pick and choose whatever you want. I discuss skin types. Every skin needs something different. You might have dry skin, I might have oily skin. So you can choose your product accordingly. But for me right now, I think most essential is to keep my face hydrated. So I would pick their moisturizers for sure.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we move on. There was one question there. Yeah, the lovely lady in pink. Anyone else? Okay, one, two. Okay, super.
Hello, good evening,
Hi,
Sonakshi.
good
I'm
evening.
a big fan. I'm
Oh,
Dr.
sweet.
Mekhla Bause. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer on Instagram. So since I do a lot of beauty content and you have such beautiful skin,
Thank you.
would you like to share a secret family inherited skincare secret that you follow, that you have?
Now this skin only I've inherited from my mother. What secret can I tell you? But no, truly, I'm very lucky that both my parents actually have great skin, and which is what I've got. And to be honest, I take my skin very much for granted, and I know that I shouldn't. So which is why I've started, kind of taking care of it. And my mother has been someone who always, if anything happens, if I ever rarely I break out, but whenever I do, she'll give me like home remedies and stuff. So I would just suggest to keep it as natural as you can. Your skin is not made to, be under so many chemicals all the time. It's very important to let your skin breathe. So I think that would only be my advice, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have you ever thought of actually painting, this is a natural thing and you paint amazingly well. You on this packaging and your works would make a very big difference. I mean, I think you should actually ask her to do that.
You should ask him this.
You should ask her to paint. She's such an amazing painter.
Good idea.
We have very long-term plans for us, which I'm not going to reveal or not authorize to reveal right away.
So there's one more suggestion I had. Your packaging should have seeds embedded in them. So every time you throw the packaging, it brings more trees out.
That's a
It's just
great
Very,
idea,
very
yeah.
good suggestion. They say the greatest threat to our planet is that we don't have a planet B. We just have one planet. And all you influencers, you'll create so much of impact and are an inspiration to so many people out there. I think this is an opportunity for you to commit to eco-friendly products, sustainable products. What do you
Absolutely.
say?
And the whole world is moving towards sustainability, I think, whether it comes to fashion, whether it comes to food,
True that.
whether it comes to, just developing certain habits that help the environment in this, and they could be the smallest of things. So the entire world needs to kind of move in that direction, and kudos to you guys for having achieved that with
Yeah.
Planters.
Thank you, Sonakshi. In fact, yeah, go ahead.
I'd like to add one more thing for your information, for information of all present here, that we tried very consciously to use whatever natural, organic, biodegradable possible. The monocartons that you see for all our products are unbleached papers, which is a very rare phenomena. And the ink that we have used for printing is an organic ink. So that's the kind of care we have taken.
Sonakshi, as the
so much,
name
Gautam.
goes, Planters actually. तो कभी
Can you just raise your hand? We don't know where you are. Okay.
हाँ. तो कभी आपने कोई plant grow किया है, just to be more organic, like, and that is what you try to use it. कभी उस तरह का ख्याल आया या कभी ऐसा वक्त मिला है?
सर घर पे गार्डन है
ना?
वहाँ पे बहुत plants हैं. But yeah, I think it's our job to kind of encourage people to plant more trees and all. I've attended certain drives to do that. Every child I meet, I make sure I tell them that you have to plant trees and you have to save the planet. So yeah, I think consciously it has to be embedded in you for you to kind of take that sort of action and make sure that you promote these values wherever you go. So yeah, definitely, I am all for a green planet.
Just one last question from my side. लोगों के ज़हन में ऐसा है कि जो film stars होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर like they go out of India. ज़्यादातर they prefer imported products actually. मतलब जो भी है तो what is वो उस तरह का जो myth है I don't know. तो आपके if you say something कि how much do you prefer Indian brands also?
I mean, it's a mix of both. If it's not necessarily up to the just because of the brand or its name or whatever, I have to actually like the product. May it be an international product or an Indian product. Of course, the कोशिश तो ये रहती है कि we promote more Indian brands. because we are trying to bring them forward and help them do well. So, but I don't think it's a myth. I mean, even a normal person today could be holding a Gucci bag but wearing an Indian designer. So it's all up to a person's personal choice at the end of the day. So बाद में बात करेंगे ना, आप चाय पे मिलो मेरे को.
Okay, anybody else? Last question? All right. Last question. Okay. Can we have the mic quickly passed around?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
मैम मैं ब्यूटी एडवाइज़र हूँ फ्रॉम प्लांटास. मैम मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ.
थैंक यू.
मैम आप इतनी अच्छी कैसे दिखते हो?
क्योंकि मेरे आप जैसे फैंस हैं.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम सच में मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ. मैं आपको जब आप दबंग मूवी में आप आए थे तब से मैं आपको फॉलो करती हूँ और मुझे बहुत जन ये कमेंट करते हैं कि आप मैं मतलब आपकी जो फेस कटिंग है लाइक वो मुझे भी थोड़ी थोड़ी है. तो क्या मैम ये सही है, मैं सही समझूँ?
बिल्कुल सही है. 12 साल पहले मैं आपके जैसे ही लगती थी.
थैंक यू मैम. मैम मैंने आपका देखा है, मतलब कॉलेज के जो आपके पिक थे मैंने वो देखी हूँ. मैंने
मेरी मतलब फ्लैशबैक हो गया मुझे अभी.
थैंक यू मैम. और मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा है कि मतलब आप मेरे सामने हो. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू.